One night, Tasnim was studying for her organic chemistry class tomorrow.
This is so hard. I don't know what I'm going to learn. Where must I learn this organic chemistry? This has nothing to do with my life.
But alas, she was defeated by her comfy bed. She scrolled through her TikTok until a video about organic chemistry appeared on her FYP.
Why must this video come to my FYP? I think I'm gonna sleep.
She exclaimed her discontentment and finally lay on the bed to sleep. She set her alarm so that she wakes up tomorrow morning.
Hmm. I hope organic chemistry confirm this will from tomorrow.
Out of nowhere, that uninvited figure shows up inside Tasman's room.
Careful of what you wish for.
A black figure San took Taslim's toothpaste from her toiletries bucket and her breakfast bread. The next morning, she wakes up early to get ready for her class.
I need to go to the. I have classes today.
She reached for her toiletries bucket and went inside the bathroom. Before brushing her teeth, she searched for the toothpaste but went on without one. After she finished showering, she sits on the table to get ready.
Hmm? Reading my bread go.
But it seems like there's a black figure passing behind her just now.
Tasnim leaves her house to go to class, still confused with the things that are happening to her today. She entered the classroom and greeted her friend, Natasha.
Hey, do you have any toothpaste left? Because my, uh, my toothpaste just gone.
Oh, it happened to you too? Because all my toothpaste and all my breakfast are gone too. Oh, I thought I was dreaming or something.
I think it's just our bad luck today.
A couple minutes after that, the lecturer finally arrived.
Assalamualaikum, good morning class. Have you done your work?
Yeah.
Hmm. Alright, today we will look at, we'll continue to chapter 9, which is a topic of amines.
too.
Tasnim and Tasha look around the dark classroom. Then they look at each other.
The power went out and I can't even open the TV to teach you guys today. So I will be postpone our class. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, students.
They both get up to leave for their next class. On the way to their class, they both stays quiet without saying a word. Once they arrive at the lab, they see their lecturer standing off.
Hi.
Why are you outside?
Because all the organic chemicals inside our lab suddenly gone, like they disappear. Even the lab
Gone?
assistant, yeah, even the lab assistant can't retrieve them.
Is this a coincidence or something? Because I'll think at the class and also
Yeah, I'm not sure about that myself. There's something very cool happening today.
that's weird.
Yeah, I don't feel it is a good sign.
Me too.
Okay, we'll see you next time.
But
At night, the black figure shows up once again.
This is why you should be grateful of organic chemistry.
Tasnim wakes up with the voice and searches where it came from. After that, she tries to turn on the light and realizes that all the strange things that have happened are merely a nightmare.
자, 하나, 둘, 셋, cheese again. So, hi guys. Before I'm gonna add a little bit about the organic chemistry, so I'm gonna introduce myself. So, my name is TASNIM HISHAM. I'm playing the main character in that video. So, how about you?
I'm NATASYA with SABRI. I'm the carbon shadow and also the friend of TASNIM. And how about you?
Hi, my name is LIYANA BINTI AZIZUL, and I took the role of a lecturer inside the classroom and being outside the lab.
Okay. So, what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna tell them about today?
We're gonna tell them why does the bread, toothpaste, and LED screen are just gone?
Disappear from the world. That's it.
Yes.
That's why the main character, the
Dah
person,
panjang-panjang.
it's too long. Sorry. Okay. Before we just go further away, so let's start with Tasha.
I will explain about toothpaste. Toothpaste isn't just a minty paste, it's also a masterclass of the surface chemistry. It relies on aliphatic hydrocarbon family, which is a lone chain alkenes like sodium lauryl sulfate. Its mechanism was very genius. The hydrophobic tails flee from water and trap oil and bacteria and organizing them into a tiny spherical structure called micelles. This creates a foaming emulsion that leaves debris of your teeth and also uh, rinse them away cleanly.
Okay. About the bread. So did you know actually the bread are entirely carbohydrate polymers? So what? When the dough race, is undergoing a very specific fermentation, okay, reaction is called as enzymatic anaerobic fermentation. So when the yeast break down the glucose, it produces the ethanol and also the carbon dioxide gas. So the trapped gases form a tiny pockets that are wait, I forgot. Explain. The expanding apa? The expanding the complex carbohydrate network, turning a dense full paste into a fluffy loaf. So how about the LED and the light?
Lastly, I will explain about
There's car. Okay.
I will explain about the light and the TV screen that went out in the classroom scene. The digital screens that we look at every day, starting from our smartphone, our laptop, and our tablet, is actually have digital screen that have digital displays and OLEDs that use liquid crystals built from highly conjugated polyens and aromatic systems with nitrile and ethyl groups. These complex molecules are synthesized via advanced transition metal catalyst coupling mechanisms such as Suzuki reaction.
We're gonna continue about the high tech that are related to the organic chemistry. So who do you who want to start first?
Yeah, I will start first. I will explain about cosmetics in organic chemistry. I know that Gen Z always wear makeup and cosmetic everywhere they go, even though they want to buy food from in front of their house. So do you guys know why does makeup stay on our skin? Cosmetic like lipstick and foundation stay still in on our skin thanks to their structural design. They are formulated with a complex bases containing long-chain aliphatic ester and silicon polymer featuring a siloxane functional groups. The mechanism rely on hydrophobic interaction because these long hydrocarbon backbones are intense nonpolar and they will repel environmental moisture and also sweat.
Okay. So um for me I will explain to you guys about the petroleum ether. Despite its name, it's not it's not related at all about the ether. So petroleum ether is a is a mixture of a non-polar alkene such as pentane and heptane. Okay, uh, it is non-polar and is dissolved oil fats through the London suspension forces. So it's it follow the principle of light dissolve light, which uh, the non-polar substance dissolve the another non-polar substance. So I think I have a question for the last one. So we often see metals everywhere, and in Malaysia is as a at, in Malaysia we have the humid temperature, right? So the metal often get rust. So how does we want to remove the rust?
Okay, I will tell you about how high-tech industries remove the rice. They use azelaic acid to remove the rice without destroying the metal underneath. It is a member of uh, dicarboxylic acid functional group. The chemical mechanism used here is called chelation. The chelation word came from the word chele from Greek, which means skull. Oxalic acid acts as a bidentate ligand, grouping insoluble iron-free ions with its two oxygen-rich arms. It undergoes a coordination reaction that shifts the chemistry entirely based on this chemical reaction right here. This turns the solid stubborn into a highly water-soluble complex that easily wipes away with water.
That's it. Okay. So I think that's all our add-on about the organic chemistry. So see you when I see you. Bye bye.
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 See you again.
See you again. So